So good morning again. I'll show you one more villa which is also 4 bedrooms, and this is the patio of it, the garden. So I had taken you for a tour on this villa. Now I'll take you to this villa here. So that is also a teak wood, and with a big hall here again. There's a big hall and with a big kitchen here, very big kitchen, and there's the steps which are going up. Okay, see the view, it's open style. You can feel everything from outside. You can see the view, see the kitchen top. Modular kitchen has been done with a hob also, 4 burner hob has been done. And also there is a connecting door for this, from where we can, this is a connecting door here. From here we can go to the kitchen directly to outside. Small garden is there, and one more sink is there for if any staff is working in the house, then they can do their choruses here. Okay, there, so this is the door which comes out from the kitchen, plus you can go through the hall. It's open style, French style open. So there is a this is the first ground floor bedroom. This bedroom doesn't have a attached toilet, but a toilet is just outside here. The same Jaguar fittings are being used for this, the open style. You can see the view from here. Such a big open, yeah. And now we'll walk. There's a steel bars for the steps which go upstairs, so we'll be going on top. There's a small place here in between the steps. Okay, the sky is really blue, you know. And there's a small balcony here on the first floor. It's like a gazebo or a small balcony where you can sit from here and see the outside. The tiles are really good. Anti-skid tiles have been used for the balcony. And these are the steps which go down, and this is the balcony here. So now I'll take you to the bedroom. So this is one bedroom, but again this doesn't have a attached toilet to it. The bedroom is really spacious. And there's a spacious toilet attached here outside the bedroom. Again, all the fittings are of Jaguar. Okay, this is one bedroom. Now I'll take you to the second bedroom. See the knobs and all which have been used. See the door finish. Okay. So this is the second bedroom. Again, this also bedroom doesn't have a toilet, because the toilet, it's a common toilet outside. And again there's a dome here for the sunlight to come in, so it's always bright here. Now I'll take you to the master bedroom. Okay, this has a attached toilet. See the view out, and it has a gallery here, small gallery outside with a glass finish, and you can see the villas from here. And this is a toilet, attached toilet to it, and again Jaguar fitting has been used for this. Anti-skid tiles are being used with a Miranda flush is there. The house is really spacious with a good quality fans and all are being done for this. This is the entire view again. So there is a balcony outside or a sit out outside. This is the way upstairs which come. So this is the master bedroom. Okay, so this is a second bedroom which doesn't have a toilet. This is a third bedroom. This also doesn't have an attached toilet. This also doesn't have an attached toilet, but there is a big spacious toilet outside for sharing this both the bedrooms. There is one toilet outside to compensate that they have done a big toilet. It's really big toilet, like a small room toilet is there. And now we are going down. And I'll just take you again one round from the kitchen and on. And for the fourth bedroom also, it's very spacious, and the toilet is been shared outside for the kitchen and the hall and this bedroom. There's only one toilet here. There's a small outside area here with a gate and all. Yeah, so you can see you can put a small garden and all out, and then the lawns are there. Then comes the lawns here. Okay, and this is all the chambers and the sewage things and all, and this is the high they have built a really high compound wall outside. Okay, so again I'll take you through. This is the hall. Still you can go to the kitchen from here, and again see the outside is the open style. Everything you can see from outside. You'll need to fix a blinds, curtains here, and it really looks spacious and all. And this is the way out from it. Thank you. Now I'll take you to the third row villa, and I'll show you the surrounding also of it. And this is the outside part of it, and this is the villa, how it looks from outside. Here it looks like this from outside. See how it looks from outside. Okay, thank you. Now we'll go in my part 3 video. I'll show you the sea villa, okay, and how it looks. Thank you.